is that with you?
That's a big construction set.
Wow, that's a build and play machine maker construction set. What does it have? See, it has 39 pieces of construction pieces. We have a fire truck, tow truck, garbage truck, and dump truck, Ashu.
I'm a mommy.
What?
Dump truck is my favorite.
Dump truck is your favorite?
Yes.
I'm excited to open it, Ashu. Shall we open it?
Yeah, there's a fire truck screwdriver to fix all the things.
Show me the screwdriver. Wow, you have a screwdriver to fix everything?
Yeah.
Come on, let's open it.
Yeah.
Yay! Wow!
Oh, man. I better take off.
Wow, what is that?
A dump truck.
It's a dump truck. We have to fix all those. What else we have in this? Can you open them? Wow, that's a fire truck. I think it's red one, right?
Yeah. Here's the fire truck thing.
Wow, what is that? It's green color.
The garbage.
I think it's garbage truck once. What else you have in that? That's the garbage truck.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a dump truck.
Yes.
So we have the dump truck, garbage truck, tow truck and fire truck. Are you ready to fix them?
Yeah.
We have a screwdriver there. Let's take the screwdriver.
Oh, we left this wheel on the screwdriver.
Yeah, we have to fix everything with that screwdriver. Are you ready, Ashu?
Yeah.
Done.
Where's the whole wall? I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's the fire truck wheel.
Yeah.
How do we fix it? Let's open the fire truck one, Ashu. Open the fire truck packet and we'll fix it with the screwdriver. Did you dump them, Ashu?
Yeah. I like dumping.
What are you doing?
I'm fixing this.
You're fixing this? Look at this. You have got 4 wheels and a fireman. And these are the fire truck parts.
Oh.
Wow! You fixed one of the wheels?
Yeah, so first we have to put it like this, and then we need the screwdriver again. I'm done with my fire truck. It's all set it up. Now I'm going to put my fireman in there. Right.
The fire truck is ready.
Now let's try the rock one.
The fire truck is ready. Now let's try the tow truck, okay? That's the tow truck.
This one?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
What is that? That's a tow truck? Wow!
Let's look at the flash. Oopsie, silly.
What do we have? We have the wheels
A tow
and
truck. Let's put this away.
yeah. Let's fix the tow truck now, okay?
Yeah.
Ta-da! Tow truck is ready.
Ta-da! Tow truck is ready.
Now we have the tow truck operator. Let's put it here, okay?
Yeah.
Let's put it there.
I'm putting all the operators and the drivers so they can operate it. Oh, here's the driver operator.
Yay! There is the tow truck operator. That's our tow truck and the fire truck. Now, let's open the dump truck. Are you ready, Ashu?
Let's open this one.
What is that?
The tow trucks thing.
Tow trucks thing? Okay, let's open that.
Okay, 2 rocks.
Wow, we have 2 rocks there.
Yeah, here's the...
What is that? To hold the rocks, I think. You have to press the red one, Ashu, to hold the rock. Yay! Now let's hold the rock and you can pull it up like this. You have to pull it up like by here. Yeah. Up, and you have to press the red one to release the rock. Okay, press the red one. Press it. Press it. Ta-da! That was so cool. Let's fix the dump truck now. Okay? Now we have the tow truck, dump truck, fire truck. Wow, your dump truck is ready now. Now you can put the rocks into the dump truck, Ashu.
What one's in there?
Wow, you can dump the rocks now.
Where?
Where do you want to dump the rocks?
There's a cup to dump.
That's okay, you can dump them on the ground. Yay! So we have the dump truck, fire truck, tow truck. Our last truck, garbage truck, Ashu. Are you ready to open it?
Yeah.
Open the garbage truck. Let's fix it.
Yeah, that's garbage.
Wow! We have
And the
the...
garbage truck operator.
Yes, that's a garbage truck operator.
3 boys and 1 girl.
Wow, our garbage truck is ready, Ashu. See, we have the garbage truck operator, dump truck operator, fire truck operator, and tow truck operator. Wow! I love this toy, Ashu. I love that too. You can pick the rock, sand, mud, everything with that. And put it in the dump truck like this. And you can push it like this. Ta-da!
I just cut that, and why did you dump it?
Let's put the dump truck operator inside and operate the dump truck.
Peep. Now let's put the dump truck operator inside.
Okay. Beep beep. The dump truck is ready to go now.
Now let's move this. Now let's move it.
What happened?
The fire truck operator fall out.
Let's put the fire truck operator inside and operate the fire truck now.
Peep.
Why do we use dump truck?
Dump truck to pick up mud and rocks. And do you know why do we use this?
Let's move the fire truck now.
First, let's put them.
We need We need the fire truck operator to move the fire truck. We have our fire truck operator ready. And the fire truck is ready to move. Why are you pushing the tow truck operator? Let's park it near fire truck. Yay!
Wow, I love all these construction vehicles. Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel.